Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings by tapping your name at the top to open Apple ID. Once done, choose Media and Purchases or scroll to Subscriptions. This quickly surfaces recent purchases. Make sure to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so you can view details. You're doing this to match charges and find receipts. By going straight to your account area, you avoid hunting through apps. Keep your payment method visible so you can confirm the billed amount. Next, go to View Account, then Purchase History so you can see every Apple transaction tied to your ID. Once you select a time range, last 90 days or a custom period, you'll see Group Charges by Date. This helps you spot subscriptions versus one-time purchases. Tap any line to reveal the order ID, exact price, and merchant details, and if something looks wrong, you can report a problem from there. This step is the core of reconciling what hit your card. Finally, if you need a receipt, tap the item and use the email or download option to save proof. Keep the order ID handy. If a charge is wrong, choose Report a Problem and follow prompts to request a refund or contact Apple support via chat for quicker escalation. If authentication fails or purchases are missing, sign out and back in, then check other family members' accounts. Sometimes purchases come from shared Apple ID. One tip: clear cache or try another device if listings don't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.